I've had this wooden pallet at the side of my house for the past 2 years now. I have no idea what to do with it. But over the weekend, I met a guy who is amazing at repurposing wooden pallets for his garden. My name is Mark Tacna. Welcome to episode 3 of Inspirational Gardening.
Hi, my name is Tim. I live in Colorado Springs. My wife and I love to garden together. We love to just grow things. We love to build things. And I'm just too cheap to spend a lot of money when we're doing that. As we started kind of building this garden out, I just kind of went with pallets. Pallets is my go-to for a lot of things. When we started out, we just started with raised beds. So I would take pallets and cut them in half and just build raised beds out of them. We'd put the branches down and, we just do a hugel culture on that. Well, then the following year, my wife was really starting to talk a little bit more about, I need something more. So we took 2 rows of our raised beds and I encapsulated them in pallets and just built up from there. So then I bought the plastic, we put the PVC piping over top, put the plastic on there, and we had a greenhouse. Now it's been a little bit of a trial and error. We've had to put some windows in, especially during the winter. We were able to continue growing things with a little space heater in here, but the construction has been really fun. And like I said, I love building everything pallet. One of the things that you have to consider, of course, are the doors and the windows. Again, here I go with as free as I can. I have a neighbor who is very resourceful, has a lot of resources, but I also go to Craigslist and I'll find like just large windows or small windows, and I'll just start creating those and building those into the greenhouse. That way, for instance, the door that is directly opposite of me, I use just 2x4 framing, and so during the winter we can keep that closed. So I also have a fan in one of the windows so that every day at 7 a.m. it comes on and at 7 p.m. it goes off. I've got it on a timer. That way we get enough airflow through here as well. I also have a shade cloth on the top for about 40% shade, which really helps because otherwise it starts to cook in here during the summer because we're at such a high altitude that the sun is really intense. During the summer we keep the sides rolled up of the greenhouse, all the plastic. That way it allows the air to go through. Again, if you've got pallets, there's built-in airflow. We're growing in here things like char, kale, and carrots growing right now, and then we've got turnips. We're growing peppers in here, and we've got 2 bushes in here of catnip. We have cats and they love catnip. It is like drugs for them. Over on this side I've got a whole bed full of strawberries, and this is the first year that they're actually really big and seem to be very happy. And then we've got broccoli and cauliflower growing down the road here. We've got basil and we've got more peppers on the other side, green onions and normal onions. So we're just kind of growing a lot of the things that you need to make a good salad. So we're kind of enjoying that part. In August is going to come out and it's going to be harvested, and then we're going to go ahead and put some more winter greens in here and grow until probably December. One of the reasons that we started the garden is because we just really wanted to eat healthier. Plus my wife just loves growing things. We've got a coop with chickens. We love just having life around us. So I think as you see life growing up around you, you just get vitality yourself. Plus being able to just come out here, pick your own food, take it inside. Last year we had so many tomatoes. We were making pico de gallo and salsa, and it was just constantly fresh. As empty nesters, my wife and I really enjoy that time together. We find that this is something we love doing together. So it's been a great thing for our marriage as well.
That is really cool what Tim was able to do with all of his wooden pallets. It does give me an idea or two of what I can do with this one. If you would like to have your garden or greenhouse be in one of the episodes of Inspirational Gardening, please send me an email. cospringsvideo@gmail.com. It's in the description below. I would love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Make sure to subscribe, like, and ring that bell for future notifications. Have a wonderful day.